Broadview Park is a small city located in the heart of Broward County, Florida. Broadview Park is home to one of the few nature preserves in Broward County. It was first intended as a bird sanctuary and safe haven for many endangered birds, but now it has become home and safe haven for many other native species in South Florida. Local neighbors love to take walks alongside this nature preserve that provides a beautiful view and lots of shade. Unfortunately, this nature preserve is in danger of being destroyed in order to make way for low-income housing. Although we understand the need for low-income housing in Broward County, there's plenty of empty lots around the city. We urge you to please join us in helping us save this one of the few last nature preserves in Broward County. Please sign the petition. Link in bio.